is blazing with activity.
The hippocampus is playing a really important role, not only in remembering, but also allowing us to build these future simulations. Memory is important not only for the past, but also for the future, for building up that sense of who we are.
Our memories are crucial to forming our identities. But one group of scientists have discovered that our memories can be manipulated without our even knowing it. Are we really who we think we are?
Can we rewrite our memories to alter our identities? Question everything and go through the wormhole on Science. Brought to you by the AT&T Network, a living, breathing intelligence securing a world of new opportunities.
This is the AT&T Network, a living, breathing intelligence bringing people together to bring new ideas to life.